Good afternoon, everyone. Please take your seats as we're about to get started for our next workshop, The Art of Market Analysis, Finding the Right Direction. Sorry about the commotion over there. Quick reminder to everyone, online trading involves the risk of losing your funds. Make sure that you understand all of the risks involved, exercise caution, and trade with brokers you trust that hold the appropriate license by the FSCA. Please welcome on stage Shah Mohammad, Sales Manager and Market Analyst at TradingPRO.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. How are you? Good. So I believe everyone is a trader. Please raise up your hand. All right. So basically, let me introduce myself. I'm a trader, and before a trader, I have no experience about trading, but I moved my path, become as a trader and a market analyst, and now I'm a part of a broker. I've been trading for around 7 to 8 years. It's a very tough career, right? So, but today, my presentations is about to find the right directions based on my experience on the technical analysis that I use, which is I use the tools called pitchfork. So what did I achieve in the past few years, which I predict for the forex market, gold and bitcoins? I found the entry points and the exit point at the perfect level. All right. So to become a successful trader, you need to understand the relationship between technical analysis, fundamental analysis, intercorrelation markets, and psychology plus risk management. But today, I'm only talk about the technical, fundamentals, and intercorrelated market. All right. So technical analysis, there's a lot of tools that you can use out there, but you need to focus on one or two tools which you need to master your tools. The second one, because the technical analysis is go back more than 100 years. So the traditional technical tools is still available today, is still valid, and is still the most essential parts as a trader to use as a tool for your trading. The second one is the fundamental analysis. The fundamental, as you know, the central bank speech, what takes the markets go up and down is based on the fundamentals. So for the technical, there's a lot of tools. I use pitchfork. You can use Fibonacci, Bollinger Band, moving average, but you master one at a time, and you understand how you want to use the tools. So the second part is the fundamental analysis. My experience, I was wrong. I learned fundamental first, but actually you must blend together. Technical and fundamental comes into your trading. Because as we know right now, the fundamentals for the gold is based on the geopolitical, and also for the currency is based on the central bank's speech, the announcement, the unemployment rates, the interest rates. So I think technical fundamentals come in, then we go for the intermarket analysis. So intermarket analysis, what you can do is, what you need to understand is, you need to master currencies, let's say USD, Euro, GBP, but like for myself, I only focus on US dollar. Yeah. For my first 2 years and 3-4 years, I go all each of the pairs. It's an experience to understand all the central banks, but in the end, you only focus on one currency. So for myself and for you guys, I suggest that you focus on either USD, the Japan yen, GBP, BOE. If you focus everything, I think you will go mad, because there's a lot of speech that you need to listen, you need to do the analysis. All right. So intermarket analysis means when you focus on US dollar, so if you trade on the major pair, so you only focus on the major pair, the US, the Feds. Yeah. Like myself, I trade gold, so I base on US dollar and the geopolitical analysis as a safe haven, so you can find the directions easily. Yeah. All right, guys. So everybody, all good? So it's very important. From time to time, you need to focus. Just focus on one pair. Yeah, I've seen a lot of South African. They trade on Nasdaq, Dow Jones. Yeah, it's good. You only focus on the US. So for myself, what I need to pass this message to all the traders in front of me right now is you need to understand what is the market structure, how the market is going. The market is always go down and up, down and up. It never go to the left. It's only go to the right. Correct. Yeah. So before I start, the tools that I use, you need to understand this, that the markets will go high, higher high, low, lower low. Right? That's the only market structure is going in the chart that you see. This is downtrend. The previous one is uptrend. It's the same. Uptrend, low. Uptrend is low, high, low, then go high, high. For downtrend, low, lower low, lower high, and lower low. So this is a range market. All right. Previously is uptrend and downtrend. This is a range market. So you need to draw. You need to know support and resistance. Anybody doesn't know about support and resistance? SBR, RBS. It's very essential to know support and resistance in your trading. Yeah. And the crucial part is become as a trader. They have problems in defining, is it uptrend or is it downtrend? Normally I'll see a lot of traders, when it's uptrend, they tend to sell, they tend to short, but it's trending, it's going up and up. Yeah, that's why there's a lot of traders, when their emotions is out, and your trading will be in total loss. Yeah. So this is a downtrend, so you must understand support and resistance. So I would like to introduce these tools that I use. This is not the only tools that I use. Entry pitchfork. I do use Bollinger Bands. I do use moving average, but I do my analysis based on Andrew Pitchfork. For the past 7-8 years, I have been making 3,000 market analysts every day, and I provide analysis to the traders in my country. And I found this is the most perfect and the most sharpest point that you can find your entry point and your exit point. So let me introduce this tool. It's based on parallel line, 3 parallel line. Upper line, this is the upper line, median, and the lower line. So it's the same for uptrend and downtrend. This is downtrend. So we have the pivot high, 1, pivot low 2. Right? And the market is always go up and down. And with this tool, we need first to understand the market structure, the support and resistance, and how you get the pivot line. So you can see this is my analysis for Euro US dollar. You see how perfect the support and resistance and all the candles in place inside these tools. And you can take the trades based on your understanding of the markets and where the entry points and where the exit points. So for entry pre-swap, it's based on the lower line, the higher line, the upper line, and the median line. So your entry point must be at the lower line. 2, what do you do if you see this part? Do you sell or do you buy? You buy. Yes. So this is a 1 week market analysis that I do. Why I tend to do my analysis on weekly? Because there's a less of noise and you can find the directions and you can understand where is the market is going. And based on the fundamentals and the technicals, so when you inter-market correlations between the euro and the dollar, and you get the price moving inside this pitchfork, and you know, let's say US is currently hawkish on the high interest rate. So what you do? You buy. So euro, US dollar, USD is strong. What do? You sell. So where is going? The price is going. Definitely, it will be going inside this box. The first stop, it will be, this is the point A. Median line is the point B. Lower line is the point C. So the market will go from A, B, C. So you take your exit at C, at the lower line, your entry at the upper line. But how to get the perfect entry point is that you must wait. You must be patient. In trading, it's always about patience, about waiting. It's not about you trade every day. If you trade every day, you will get a psychology and emotions distracted. Yeah. So this is the uptrend for the gold. It's the same. You see what's the difference between this going down and this chart is going up. So it's very perfect that you can find the entry points and the exit points. Yeah, but my analysis is based on weekly, but I did try on H4 hourly, 4 hours. Yes, no problem. Right, but not 1 minute. All right, 1 minute, 5 minutes, we use different strategy. So as you know, if you base on the geopolitical currently is happening, especially in the Middle East, you know, gold is a safe haven, and the price will go up. So you need to find where is the exit point. Currently, at the moment, you need to wait. Where is the exit point so you can put a sell on this chart, right? Yeah, so this is the original analysis that I did. What I did is since 2019 until 2022, this chart has been freeze. There's no changes. I didn't make any changes. I just plot it for the P low, pivot high, pivot low too. So this chart has been stay here for almost 4 to 5 years. Yeah. So my patience is very long. Yeah. So it never changed. It's based on the same tools that I use, the same place. It never moved, and you will get the answer from this type of analysis. Yeah. So everyone, you need to become yourself independence as an analyst. Yeah, anybody follow signals? Yeah, I think myself, I follow signals. Yeah, in my first 2 years, and it was like, wow, when I follow the signals, but it goes against the signal. Then I was wondering why is happening? Why I follow the signals, but it always lost. Yeah. So you must define the signals and who's the master of the signals provider. And lastly, the best is, okay, I don't want to follow the signals. I become my own signal provider. Yeah, so you do your own analysis. But of course, it will take a lot of times to do market analysis. All right? So if you see the structure, that the price going to the most, and this is a cycle. Actually, this pitchfork is added with Fibonacci levels. Yeah, so 4.236 is the one cycle level for these tools. Yeah. All right. So if you know Fibonacci, you can apply the Fibonacci on these tools. All right. So you can see the first cycle on the COVID, it stops here, and it goes down. And the next level for the geopolitical currently is happening now. It will be another cycles, right? So for myself, I'm waiting for a sell. Yeah, of course, we did a buy on this side. Yeah, I can't explain all the lines, but if you can see the tools where it's the support and resistance base, I think you will understand about it. So it's not only one type of mapping you can do with this tool. I've done this is mine since 2020. This is I just did last week, so you can see the structure, the support and resistance. If you can understand how is the market is moving, where it does stop, so that's how you find the right directions. Yeah. So what will you do now for the gold market? Are you still want to buy, or you want to wait for sell? Anybody? Sell. But of course, first you must understand what is happening in the Middle East and Ukraine, Russia, the geopolitical war, right? So this is Bitcoin. Anybody holding Bitcoins? Anybody? Or only Forex? Nasdaq? Yeah. So I have my speech early January in Mexico. So my analysis was from 40 to 70 almost. Yeah. I tell all the audience buy Bitcoins. Where's the market stop? It's around 70 to 80. So my what do you call it? My predictions is based on this chart, the full chart. This is the same. It didn't move almost for 4 and 5 years. It just stick there. So I read the market based on the market movement. So you can see, yeah, this is a support. This is the resistance. Support and resistance. Yeah. So you can see now what is happening. Bitcoin is currently going up. It's almost 69,000 today. So the market is ranging. So the range market will always be inside this box. Yeah. And I know everyone is waiting to sell. Yeah. It's waiting to going down. So besides, this was the analysis on COVID. Do you have in mind that the crude oil will go into zero? But this tool can tell you that the price can go zero. All right. So this tool is not only for currency. You can apply on commodities, Nasdaq, US stocks, and it's very essential if you understand these tools. So I think this is the techniques in all trading methods. First, you look at the price actions. Second, confirmations. And third, validations for the end cycle. So what you going to do? The candle, the first candle, second candle, third candle on the resistance. Then we go for a sell. So time frames, like I said, 1 hour, 4 hours. 1 hour is for intraday. 4 hours is for weekly. Weekly is for years. Yeah, but can you guys wait for years? No. No problem. You do your practice. You start from weekly. You look at the weekly. Then you understand the market movement. Yeah. Always look at the bigger time frames. All right. Yeah. So this is year, month, 1 week, intraday. But if you are intraday trader, you can use these tools. All right. It's very easy. You need practice. That's all. You need 1,000 practice, 1,000 markets to practice to do the analysis. All right. But of course, for myself, I do 1 minute, 5 minutes scalping. I use Bollinger Bands and moving averages. Yeah. All right. So entropy shock is based on Newton's third law. For every actions, there is an equal and opposite reactions. So you see the market goes up, it must come down. When it comes down, it must go up. That's the basic principle of market. All right. So I have not much time to spend with you all. I hope I'll see you guys again. All right. And you can meet me at my booth, TradingPRO. And I'm very happy to be here for the third time in South Africa. And I hope to come back again and meet you all. Thank you so much.